What up, world? It's your boy Reality Jones, the Southern Soul Superman. You dig what I'm saying? Hey, we coming back. Moss Point Sounds of Knowledge Tour is coming back. Yup, that's right. I'll be down November the 13th to kick it off, to do our Moss Point Idol thing. But the following week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I hope y'all got your sleep Tuesday. You dig what I'm saying? Because we coming back and we coming back hard. My man Sir Rod said, yo, Reality, why don't you go back home for a week, man, and set it off for him one more time? So I said, hey, it is what it is. So I leave my spot in VA to come back home while I stay. Check it out, man. My man's JL will be down, Sydney B will be down there, Rico the Lover, Ronnie J's coming, Ball, Born Again, Living Legends, the gospel group, they'll be out there. Man, DJ Muhammad. I mean, it's just crazy. It's bananas. It's crazy. It's crazy. For real. So look, you think y'all did it last year, right? You think we did it last year. Nah, nothing. This year, for real, bananas. You did. Hit your bar up, man, for real, man. MySpace me, www.myspace.com/TheRealRealityJones. Also, you can YouTube me, man, The Real Reality Jones. The Reality Jones on YouTube. Facebook me, whatever, man. Just find me, you know me. And I'm telling you, I'm going to keep you posted on everything we doing. But Moss Point, I just had to put this out here for y'all, man. We are coming back, and we are coming hard. Yeti.
I'm moving things from state to state, staying home with you instead. Staying hard up in the streets, staying home with you in bed. Girl, you got me for this change, got my mind already set. Glad I made this decision, one that I wouldn't regret. I ran the streets for a long time, but shorty for you, I might be willing to slow it down now. And yeah, I hustle on the block for mine. Baby, just the thought of us being together says it's time out. I ran the streets for a long time, but shorty for you, I might be willing to slow it down now. And yeah, I hustle on the block for mine. Baby, just the thought of us being together says it's time out.
I'm on my trail, I'm chasing paper, girl, you know that's how I do. Stack that dough, stay low key, trying to dodge them boys in blue. I know sometimes you can't reach my phone, gotta go move these 64s on. Baby girl, be strong, hold on, it won't be long before your boo be home. 3 long years, you don't hear me down. Love was lost, but now I found. Didn't know then, but I know now. Damn right, you deserve your crown, you deserve my heart, deserve my lust. We ain't got